Okay, these are elevators number 2 and 3 here at the IKEA store in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. These are MEI from, I think, the early 2000s.
Oh, really?
Well, that's fucked up. It chimed twice for up. Buttons are over here, go up to 2. The close button works. Not going to take another ride because I'm running out of memory. Elevator number 2. I think these share a shaft with car number 1. It sure sounded like it. Alrighty, now let's ring the bell. Yeah, that is messed up. And there it goes, and that's it.